Parallel parking can be a breeze for some drivers, while for others, it's a challenging maneuver that can turn a driving test into a nerve-wracking experience. In this episode, we will guide you step by step how to parallel park the right way. Mastery comes with practice, confidence, and good spatial awareness. Step 1. Use your turn signal to indicate your intention to park. Make sure the parking space is at least a few feet longer than your car. Step 2. Position your car next to the car in front of the empty space, aligning your rear bumper with theirs. Maintain a 2 feet gap between your car and the one you want to park behind. Step 3. Before backing up, check for traffic and ensure the road is clear. Turn your steering wheel toward the curb, usually right, as you begin to back up, and monitor your mirrors and surroundings. Step 4. Straighten your steering wheel and back up until the front of your car passes the rear bumper of the car you are parking behind. Step 5. Turn your all the way to the left and roll backwards until you are behind the car. Step 6. Straighten out the wheel and adjust your position by pulling forward and backward as needed to center your car within the space and parallel to the curb. Ensure you are within the parking space. Leave equal space in front and behind if possible, and be no more than 12 inches from the curb. Put the car in park, engage the parking brake, and turn off the engine. Don't forget, practice makes perfect. Try this technique in a quiet area before using it on busy streets. Use your mirrors and look around to avoid hitting other vehicles. Be patient and go slowly,